very loud music on so they would not be able to hear our standard question. And of course, our ladies are given just 1 minute to answer this question. And if we hear this sound, similar to how we did earlier, that sound, that signals the end of your 1 minute. Alright, so of course, while the other four are still preparing, hello Shakira. Oh, let's turn it on. So Shakira, how does it feel to be in the top 5 and of course, with the most number of corporate and minor awards, what is going on inside your mind, your heart right now?
I'm feeling very thankful for everyone, especially to my supporters, for being here tonight, watching me. Thank you.
Alright, so just relax, okay? I see you are really overwhelmed with emotions, but this is your moment. Do we have the most signal from the committee already? Are we set? Alright, I believe we are. Let us begin the standard question. So candidate number 4, I'll read the question twice, so listen carefully. This is the standard question. How do you embody the qualities of strength, resilience, and leadership in your daily life as an empowered Petrinian woman? Once again, how do you embody the qualities of strength, resilience, and leadership in your daily life as an empowered Petrinian woman?
As an empowered Petrinian woman, I possess flares and the core values of the school. And I will live my legacy by bringing these values and sharing it to my community. Because I truly believe that these values that CSPR has implanted in me will not only help me as a student, but will also help me soon grow into a responsible citizen and a successful person. And as a student here in Colegio de San Pedro Recoletos, I am proud to say that I am one true and loyal Petrinian. Thank you.
Very well said. Thank you so much, candidate number 4. What a way to start our standard question.